Welcome to the Knowledge Help Desk. Today, I'm going to show you how you can remove duplicate rows from a dataset. Use the Remove Duplicates feature in Excel to quickly remove duplicate values from a table range or large spreadsheet. For this example, let's imagine you work for a company that manufactures and distributes audio products. Your company has just launched a campaign to understand how customers feel about their product. You've been given a task from your manager to review the customer feedback survey results and report back your findings. Let's take a look at the dataset we'll be working with. In this dataset, you can see that Dan and Kevin have multiple entries with identical feedback, rating, date, and product entries reflected in customer IDs 1, 4, 16, 18, and 21. After review, we believe these entries are duplicate values, and in order to not skew our analysis, we want to remove the duplicates that are reflected through customer IDs 4, 18, and 21. Manually deleting these rows in a small dataset is doable, but with larger datasets, this process can be very time-consuming. Knowing that the official product launch is right around the corner, let's take a different approach at removing the duplicate values. Use the Remove Duplicates feature in Excel to quickly remove duplicate values from your dataset in just a few clicks. Click on the Data tab. Under Data Tools, find and click on the Remove Duplicates feature. To delete duplicate values, select one or more columns that contain duplicate values. In our example, we will choose the customer name field. Click OK. By removing the duplicate entries for Dan and for Kevin, we get a more accurate representation of customer feedback to share with our manager. Thanks for watching.